Hi, Dan Clark, beautiful Bay Indies. Sea breeze is blowing 80 degrees today. 914 Eluthera, starting out here on the front lanai. It's got the side-to-side sliders. Breeze is blowing through. It absolutely feels great with the temperatures up in the 80s. Concrete floor here as well. We're going to step right on in through the slider. Going to enter into a living room, dining room combination. Got the drop ceiling up above, got some laminate flooring down below on the floor. Got a nice, they've changed the built-ins a little bit different there, and put some glass cabinets in, changed the drawers out and stuff. Got a nice painted up living room, nice Florida colors here. Looking down here, mostly furnished home, a few pieces that she's going to be taking with her. Got a fan there as well. No, the kitty cat, Maine Coon cat, doesn't come with it. He'll probably talk to us when we walk by, though. Got the kitchen. Got newer countertops. Plenty of cabinets. Good space. Appliances all in good shape. Washer and dryer is out in the shed. Got a carport out there as well. We'll make our way down the hall. We got 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Got wood laminate flooring here. Got the guest bathroom on the right side. She's done a little bit of work in there. It's got the Harvest Gold tub, but you can change that out with a bath fitter. Straight ahead is the guest room. Double closet. Bank of 8 drawers there with the window looking out. Nice light and bright and airy. Painted up in a lavender. White ceilings have been painted as well. Wood laminate flooring there as well. We're going to go into the master. Same flooring there as well. Double closet. It's got an 8 bank of drawers looking out that window there as well. Fans going today in here. This bedroom furniture set will be staying as well as the other one. Got a 3rd closet here behind the door. Got a master bath in there with a newer toilet, step-in shower. Folks, this home's value priced. This is the Snowbird special. If you're looking for something for under $20,000, this is the home. I mean, what you can buy this for, you'll pay in rent for 3 or 4 months here. So you can own one, and then you can flavor it your way. Again, home comes partially furnished, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, carport, lanai. Got the lanai out front, got a nice sitting area out here under the covered carport as well, with a storage shed out there. Again, folks, this home priced at $16,900, value priced. Nice setup. All you need to do is just come in and flavor it a little bit your way. Dan Clark, My Florida Dreams, 914 Eluthera. Give me a call today.